終於嚟到2026 TIMA 嘅最後一個獎項啦。作為最後一個獎項，佢嘅意義同分量都係非同凡響㗎。今年係會頒俾喺全球舞台上最閃耀組合獎，年度海外團體係邊一個團體獲獎啊？我哋依家揭曉。嘅表現，為全球音樂市場樹立咗新里程碑嘅 Stray Kids， 今年表現最閃耀嘅組合，我哋俾佢哋熱烈嘅掌聲同歡呼聲。
大家好，我們是 Stray Kids， 你們好嗎？你們很漂亮。First and foremost, we'd like to thank a lot of people for giving us this grand award. We are very, very honored to be here today for you guys. We have prepared quite a big stage for you guys, so hopefully you guys will enjoy what we've prepared for you. And just Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. You guys make Stray Kids Day, and we can't thank you guys enough. So thank you so much. Are you guys ready? Stay! 太愛你們了！預備，好的，這個觀眾的鼓掌聲啦！謝謝，謝謝。
再次恭喜 Stray Kids 獲獎，我相信大